Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, and thank you for your inquiry on this Skoda Kodiaq Sportline. We can see it's finished here in Meteor Grey. So I'll just walk you around the outside of the car, picking up some of the key features such as the Sportline alloy wheels. We've got the contrast black mirror caps, and we've also got the black roof rails along with rear tinted windows. We can see that this one is 4x4, and we can also pick up the rear parking sensors. 2020 model year car, denoted by the Skoda lettering on the back of the boot lid. And just running along to the front, and again Sportline theme continuing with the black grille. And this car also comes with front parking sensors. So we've had a look at the outside of the car. We'll just quickly take a look at the inside. So again, Sportline unique interior, DSG gearbox, and some of the standard features on this car include DAB radio, satellite navigation. We've got electric memory driver's seat. We've also got dual zone climate control and cruise control. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and please feel free to give us a call to discuss further. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.